Hi and welcome back, this is Jenny from LaShenny21Nails. Today's collab was hosted by Kristen from Nerdy Creations, and these are the manicures that were prepared as well as the beautiful collage she made. Check the description box where I'll have links to everybody's videos. For my base, I chose the Sinful Colors white nail polish called Snow Me White. I'll create a smushy mani with all of these polishes, and to stamp I'll use my new Born Pretty plate BPL059. Always remember to remove the protective film. Here's a closer look at the images. To protect my cuticles and make cleanup a little bit easier, I'll use my BeautyBigBang liquid latex. I apply drops of the different nail polishes and using the stamper smush them all over the nail. I do the same thing on all the nails. Now we remove the liquid latex. And we clean off any excess with a nail art brush dipped in acetone. And I apply my Seche Vite Dry Fast top coat. And now we're ready to stamp. To seal in the design, I'll apply my Born Pretty Store No Smudge top coat. And here's the completed manicure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! Don't forget to check the description box where I'll leave links to everybody's videos.